Greetings, hello, Dagse. Good to have you here. I don't really want to show you people, but I just want to give you a quick look at the beach. There's the hut. And say, thanks for joining me, yeah? Yes, it is dark like that, promise you. I'm going to show you quite a few cool finds today. Mostly they were along this, but behind me. I had to turn there because I had people approaching me, so I'm going to make my way back in that direction past the hut to there in the distance where I started detecting. Well, all along the bank the kids have been messing up here big time, so I've been finding stuff coming down because the last big sea we had started, oh well, you'll see. Alright, thank you for watching. This is probably my last one for this year of 2024 on this beach. Who knows? Yeah, too, who knows? You can see the sea has been in here, so it's gone in and it's dragged things back just in that hole here. Our first Irish pre-decimal and then Chicks penny. It looks like a 60 something. So there we go. Interesting coins starting to pop out here. Very interesting. So let's see. I'm gonna not be able to get in there, but I can tentatively swing the detector here and see if I can. There we go. This wall here, I've detected quite a few times against it and really nothing, but I'll try this area here a bit more and then go down to the gullies. Many people on the beach today, many. But fully crudded over, fully encrusted. That's an Irish decimal 20p. Pretty modern. You can just see the bronze coming through there, but I'll have to clean it at home if I could bother with it. I usually just throw them in the tub because they never come out nice. But interesting coins here. That was where the 1p Irish pre-decimal came out. 10 pegs are plenty. I'm getting plenty of 10 pegs and of course foil. And I want to head in that direction, but you can see what's happening on that dune, can't you? Very, very sandy children they're gonna have tonight. Oh gosh, you've been in my pocket, joining me in the dark, have you? Maybe you heard all of that roaring then. I'll put a snip of that in. You hear that dog? They were screaming at that dog. The dog's name is Jack. In any case, that's where we were sitting for our coffee morning the other morning. There's the dune, there's the beauty of this place. And right here is our first UK decimal 2p, 2 pence, QE2. See if we can spot a date somewhere. I never know where they put the dates on these. They change from this side to that side. Is that a 75? 76. There we go. 2p or not 2p. There we go. Trolley token. Talking of trolley tokens, we went off to do a quick bit of shopping. And I didn't have my coat on, and so I had no trolley tokens. I needed that. Fortunately, there was a loose trolley. There we go. That's phone chatter you hear. Okay, that hole. I've come around the corner there from our little barbecue spot into this lot here, which I was just going to do a quick run along. And thus far, our run has been quite good. There you go. That's our first UK pre-decimal, and I have seen the date on it, but look at the quality, the condition of it. That was not long coming down from the top. Look there, 1917. No mint mark, just 1917 London. Look at that. Condition is terrific. So it's not long been coming down because there's not really even green on it. Look at the lettering, it's all good. So I'm going to continue along here for a bit, and then I have to go the other way too, because it looks to me like that's where the good stuff is. And now, still going along here in this area, something that I don't find very often. Can you see it there? Irish 2 and 6 half crown. I don't, as I say, find them very often. It's a 62. Also, it hasn't been long coming down into this. It's been hidden up there somewhere. So it's not, unfortunately, not silver. But the earlier ones were silver up until 42, I think. No, 42 they changed over to copper nickel. That's quite a large coin, as you can see. Can you? Yes. So I'm having all sorts of fun. I'm going to carry on a little bit longer because I need to get down there. But I also want to do the top here while I can. But the gullies are opening nicely, and it's low tide about now, so I would need to dash down there soon, for sure. I can't really show you much. There's the hut. I've come in this direction to do this section as well. And right here is another hen of chickens. There we go. Can't really see the date on it. Can you see the date there? 1940 by the looks of things. So there you have it. I often do this stretch, so you never know what you find. Everybody on the dunes bringing it down. So carry on regardless. Well, I'm rapidly heading towards the parking now. This is where the kids were all playing up on the... I've got 2 coins thus far over here. I've just got a UK penny there, decimal penny, and just a bit further that way I got a Irish decimal 2 pence trolley token. But you see those signals. You don't know if you must dig, but I'm now digging. Look at all the color variation. Look at the licorice, all sorts. The black sand, the layering. And if the black sand has come from the top, then that means in the black sand we have targets. But now they disappear. That happened with the 2p. It just goes quiet, totally quiet. So you hear there, but there's more iron ground. So this could be a bottle cap. Anyway, I've had the odd bottle cap. I've had a ring pull. But let's see if we can find what this is. It's lying in the black sand. That's why it's difficult to find. And there we go. It's another coin. It looks like 5p, no, 10p small. Irish decimal 10p small. So they're not very old. So they've been coming. These coins have all come from there. They weren't here the last time I detected here, and that's about 4 or 5 of them along here now. So I'll carry on going that direction, and we'll see how many more we can find. But I want to say thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay free, and be happy. And of course you'll get an addendum if we find an addendum to show you. Fun and games. You have to agree with me that we have found a lot of cool coins today. Well, a handful of cool coins. Haven't you? Got to agree with me. Well, here's the path going up. There's the tree. The car park's behind that. I'd already gone down to go and rinse the detector and the little spade. And I got a signal here. Strong. And why wouldn't it be strong? Decimal, Irish decimal 20p, the horse. Now I'm going to put this horse next to the other horse we found. Well, we actually found a very crowded one of these already, one of our earlier coins, and then the the nice big half crown. I'll put the two next to each other so that you can see the difference in size. So there we have it now. Now I'm going to go done and dusted, and then I'll just stick in a handful of the coins here, because I have found quite a few more along this, from that to over here. As I say, then I walked down there, rinsed the stuff, came up here, found the signal, and now I'm going up there. We've got way more than enough for a Euro Millions ticket for tonight. So I sort of, when I started detecting, I said, okay, if I get enough for a ticket, I will buy. I won't add anything, but I got probably twice what I need, so I'll just buy one. Don't be greedy. We only need one in any case. Bye. I don't really know what went down, but this is what I've just taken out here. The recording I was recording didn't work. There you go. It's a mercury dime, but you can see somebody had made a bracelet out of it. 1945. I didn't think mercuries went that far, so I'll have to go and look better at home with a loop, but it looks like 1945, doesn't it? I'll go and do my homework at home. Silver, eventually, and it's all in this area here against the bank. This is the fourth coin now, and that's where we were having our coffee the other morning. Fun and games. Right, so here's the contents of the Skatsaki. Look at that. There's 10 pegs up the yin yang, as you can see. There's this, I presume that was a skewer. The broken toy, unfortunately broken. That was a bit of a tool, cap, pull tab, ring pull. There was a bit of wire in. Yeah, this, I don't think that was a 10 peg, unless if it was, then, so how many 10 pegs do we have there? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, and then the skewer. So that's all the scat. Foil, of course. I just ignore big foil signals these days. Otherwise, I'll fill the bag with trash. Anyway, then I've got a proper handful of coins. Oh, and of course I didn't detect it, but somebody left it on the beach. And I called around a few different people and nobody seemed to know, so I stuck it in the sack, and it can go on somebody else's head then. Somebody bought us a Chicago Bulls. Good for them.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications.
Right, I'm going to do you a handful of coins there. Look there. Can't really put the light on. Oh, there's a little gem falling out there. There we go. Look at that. So here's a handful of coins. Minus 3 that I used for the Euro Millions ticket. So let me sort them, and then I will show you what we have. Right, here we go. So the top 2 rows are Irish decimals, which are not too scarce. But there you see the top 3 are pennies on the top left hand. The top right hand are 3 2-pence trolley tokens. Then we had a 5p large, 2 10p smalls, 1 10p large, and 2 20p's, the cruddy one, and then the last coin that we found. Over here are our Irish pre-decimals. There are 2 NHX pennies, then a threepence, the sixpence, sorry, not a threepence. The here is the threepence, the sixpence there, and then our 2 and 6. That's the greyhound, Irish greyhound, so that's not also a horse. There's the 2 different sizes of the horses. They took the 2 and 6 half-crown horse straight onto the 20p decimal when they brought them into service. Then there's our euro denominations, 4 10 cents for 120. Then 3 euro coins, French, that's a Spanish, believe you me, and that's a Belgium, if I can remember correctly. And then there were our foreign coins in inverted commas. A UK decimal penny and 2 pence, and then our 1917 King George V penny. Terrific find that, I do think. And then there's the Rosie dime. Once again, I had finger trouble recording. I actually did record, or thought I recorded when it was coming out. And there's the Mercury dime, as I say, 1945 Mercury dime. So there you go. Fun and games. How many coins do we have here? 12, 16, plenty, plus 3 more that I said that were for the Euro Millions ticket. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and free and happy. Bye.